Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create your own cartoon image by using your mobile phone. Nowadays this is going to be very trending topic. Let's create our own cartoon. For doing this you need an app. Let's go to the Play Store and search ToonApp. This one is ToonApp. Download this to make awesome images. I have already downloaded this. Let's open the app. This is the main user interface. You can import photo from the gallery and you can click a photo and use this. So let's go to the gallery and select a picture. I want to use this image. After selecting the image, you just have to select the portion which you want to keep. Tap on the tick mark from the top right. This app will automatically make a toon image of yourself. It's done. You can use various themes from the below. Swipe left or right to select your favorite one. I like this filter. And also I like this one. Comment me which one is your favorite one. You can change the circle. My personal favorite is this one. Tap apply from the top right and tap save from the left side. You can compare before and after image just tapping on here, or you can turn this off. Tap save. Our image has been saved in the gallery. Let's check this. Let's open gallery. Go to the folder and here you can see our toon image is ready. I am using the pro version, that's why I have no logo. If you are using the free version of ToonApp, then you will get a watermark of the app. You can remove this simply. Just share this photo to Snapseed. Tap on the tool section. Tap on the healing tool. Here brush on the name. Here you can see the watermark has been disappeared. Tap the tick mark from the bottom right. Tap and hold to check before and after. Tap done to save this image. That was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe the channel if you don't subscribe yet. Thanks for watching.